Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited! Okay, so I am actually going to be doing a whole bunch of different looks using the new Colourpop mascaras, the BFFs. This one is Blew Your Mind. Yes, it does. It blew my mind because, oh my gosh. And as an extra thing for this eyeliner, I'm actually using the NYX Vivid Brights. And this is the color Vivid Sapphire. This color... By the way, this entire video I'm orange, and I think it's because my camera is trying to counteract the really bright blue, and the complementary color to bright blue is orange, so I think because it's so blue, it's trying to balance that out, and it's making me look orange, unfortunately. So y'all are going to have to deal with Oompa Loompa Kira today. I've tried everything, trust me. You name it, I've done it. I'm going to try and edit this in my software program to see if I can make me look more this is my natural skin color. I mean, I guess it's kind of I'm yellow toned anyways, so I've got a lot of yellow in my skin, but this is excessive. Anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing this look, which is really fun, then just keep watching. Alright, you guys, so I don't know if my camera caught me doing the eyeliner because I was looking at my thing after I had been doing my mascara and I realized it wasn't recording. So, also I look orange the entire video. I think it's just because my camera is trying to focus on this really bright blue. And it's like making my skin orange. So I am not this Oompa Loompa in real life. And I have tried to adjust my white balance. It's not working, y'all. All I did was I put some tape here, as you guys saw. And I just drew in kind of like this cat eye. This like Egyptian eye all the way around. And This one got a little butchered over here because this eye hangs lower than this eye. If you guys have noticed that this eye is more hooded and lazier, I guess, than this eye. But let's move on to the rest of the look, shall we? For blush, I'm going in with Pixi by Petra in Beach Rose, and I don't want to do anything crazy because this eye look is so intense. So I just want to keep everything very neutral. Can you hear my stomach? It's growling so bad. I am just putting on Beach Rose. I look so orange, you guys. I don't even know. For highlighter, I am actually going in with the new Wet n Wild loose highlighting powder in the color I'm So Lit. It's like this really beautiful champagne gold. So I am actually just going to go into my cap here. Oh my god. Don't worry. That looks ridiculous, but it diffuses out really beautifully, and it gives you this beautiful shimmer. But if you guys do want this to look more wet, maybe do it with a wet finger and just apply it directly with your finger where you guys are wanting it. And for lips, I am going in with Tarte Colorsplash lipstick in Beach Babe, and it's just this really pretty nude. It's a little sample I have, but I love this color. I am just adding in my beauty mark real quick. There we go. Alright, you guys, that is all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it because this mascara is so incredible. Oh my gosh, you guys, this mascara is probably my absolute favorite mascara in the entire world at this moment. So that is all I have for this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it and if you guys have any of these BFF Colourpop mascaras, and if you guys have any videos on those, I would love to go check them out. So let me know that as well. Also, make fun of my Oompa Loompa-ness because I can't get rid of it. I don't know what my camera's doing, but it is making me so orange. Oh Lord, oh well, we just have a tan today. That's okay. Whatever. It is what it is. I mean, I've tried to do this thing here, which normally resets it. Nope. It's just bringing me right back to orange. I've tried fiddling with my white balance, so I'm just going to have to try and fix this in editing, but that's okay. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!